Hi, I'm Roger Faulkner, the City of Launceston Recreation Planning Officer. We are here today at the Riverbend Park, which is a hive of activity at the moment. Just behind me, we've just got our first concrete pour of the project happening, and this is in the Gorge Play Zone. Concrete around the giant bird's nest swing. A whole lot of other great play elements are also under construction here in the Gorge Play area. And then our contractors will be moving over to the River Play area, just to the north of here, then moving into the Wild Core Zone and the giant skywalk. It's all coming along very nicely.